Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by protecting your data, so back up now to iCloud or to your computer. This preserves apps and settings if you need to restore. Once backed up, remove the downloaded installer. Open Settings, General, iPhone Storage, find the iOS update and delete it. Then make sure to disable automatic updates so the installer won't re-download. These steps stop Apple's file from reappearing and give you time to choose whether to reinstall or pursue a version rollback. If you want to revert to a previous iOS, you need a signed IPSWA and a computer. First, confirm Apple still signs the older firmware. Without signing, you cannot restore. Next, download the exact IPSWA for your device model to your Mac or PC and verify the file name matches. Then connect the iPhone, put it into DFU or recovery mode so the device accepts a full restore, and use Finder or iTunes while holding Option or Shift to select the IPSWA and begin the restore. Once the restore completes, follow the on-screen setup and choose to restore your backup so your data and settings return. Make sure you reconfigure Face ID, Wi-Fi networks, and any banking or two-factor apps that may need re-authentication. Finally, turn off automatic updates if you want to prevent repeats. If the device remains in recovery mode or shows activation errors, force restart it. Update Finder/iTunes on your computer. And if the issue persists, contact Apple support for help. This avoids.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.